Hey guys, something interesting for some of you guys. I'm not into tattoos, but I'd definitely like to try my hand at making a tattoo. So this is Jayesh with me.
Hello.
And he is from Alien Tattoo. So they are based in Mumbai and all over India. So Jayesh, a little bit about Alien Tattoo.
So Aliens Tattoo started off in 2011, and we are present in about 14 cities across India. And we are here in Goa with Royal Enfield Motorverse here to be present and show our presence basically. And we are also present in Kormangla, Bangalore, Kormangla.
So that's for the Bangaloreans.
Yeah.
And today, Jayesh is actually going to help me try a tattoo. So very excited to do this. Never done this before.
I will first start off with basic introduction where he understands how to take the cartridge off, how to place it in the machine, right? So all you have to do is take the cartridge, press it against the machine and rotate it left towards you so that it sits really well, right?
So it goes clockwise, the machine goes
Yes.
clockwise.
And now we use the power button, the topmost button, to start the machine and to stop the machine, right? Now we use these two arrows here, right? We use these two arrows to adjust the voltage of the machine. For now, as a beginner, we will keep the voltage as 7.5
7.5, okay.
and we'll keep the needle length about 2 millimeters, right? By bringing the voltage up or down, basically you're speeding up the process or slowing down the process, okay? Now, once you start the machine, all you have to do is carefully dip the machine in the ink cup, avoid the ink cup walls so that the needle doesn't break or bend, right? Carefully dip it in the ink cup, take a little bit of A&D on your right metacarpal area, apply a little bit of A&D on top of the skin pad and work, right? You have to work very slowly and make sure it is depositing really well in the skin pad.
How deep do you go into the skin? Just
Only a little bit, yeah, just a millimeter. Once you think you're done working, you have to use a tattoo wipe to wipe it, right?
Oh, there. So, okay, there's a bit of a mark there. That's
Yeah.
what has got the tattoo. All right. Okay.
So he's just now marking the skin pad. Who knows? He'll mark people, you know.
I'm not sure of that. But yeah.
So again, the next step is to again add a little bit of A&D. Again work
wipe.
and wipe.
Moment
Here.
of truth. Should I?
Yeah, absolutely. Now all you have to do is apply A&D first. Use the wipe. Apply A&D, work, wipe. No, apply A&D,
work and wipe. Okay.
Yeah,
Apply A&D. I'll just color the place between the two dots
yeah.
without my glasses. Am I holding it the right way? Yeah.
Very slowly. Now about the pressure, you are not supposed to apply pressure. You just have to give direction to the machine, right? You have to let the needle dance on the floor. All you have to do is give, all you have to do is give it direction where the needle has to go. And there you have it. You are a tattoo artist.
Let me try that again.
So I will let him be and enjoy the entire experience. Now, after a while, once you get a hang of what you're doing, I will teach you how does a tattoo artist hold his machine.
Wow. Okay. This is
All
not
right.
as easy as one would think. This is crazy. But let me try. Wow. I just made a small little line. Well, I have tried to do a line. Mess. It's not as dark as it's supposed to be, but it's like you're riding a bike for the first time. There you go. Terrible work.
You're almost
I'll
at
show
it.
you. That line, that outer line I tried. It's not come out too dark, but yeah, that's the best I could do. So I'll continue to learn this, and thanks for watching. See you.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, guys.
Cut. So hi, I've been at this tattoo work for some time now, 10 or 15 minutes, and with some great difficulty. This is what I've come up with. Managed to do the R of the Royal Enfield. One thing to do it on a synthetic rubber, and I guess it's another different ball game when it is somebody's skin. So hats off to all these artists who actually pull it off and do such amazing artwork. So humbling experience this.